Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll. So recently, a lot of people have been facing the issue of the camera roll not actually being unable to being able to load, right? So I got some free steps you can use and actually make that possible. So first step is you have to open up your phone settings and you scroll down all the way to apps, right? So you click on apps and you can quickly search for Messenger, or can just keep scrolling down until you see your Messengers app. Click on Messengers app and scroll down to where you see the storage, and once you click on storage you can clear the cache, and once you do that you go out and you click on force stop and click on OK. Then after that, another thing you look out for is actually the permissions. Make sure all your permissions you have actually allowed your camera, your calendar and everything, because if you don't allow your calendar it won't be able to load, just like mine have not been allowed. So simple thing, you do click on camera just like this and click on allow only while using this app. So you've allowed that already. So after doing all this should actually allow you to load your camera, right? So after doing that and it persists, next thing you have to go is go to Play Store and search for Messenger, and make sure you don't have any updates. If you have an update, just update your phone and the problem will be solved. After doing that and it still persists, please just go down, click on reset and restart your phone. Not reset, sorry, restart your phone, I mean to say, because it actually helps to fix bugs and a lot of things. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.